Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about making the vehicle you own last 200,000 miles or more. You might ask yourself, why would you want to do that? Well, to be honest with you, if you drive the vehicle that you own 15 years or more, you can often save over $250,000 in a lifetime by driving the value out of your vehicles. How do you go about doing this? Well, basically, maintaining a vehicle properly is how you go about getting that kind of mileage out of a vehicle. And if you do so and replace components and service properly, etc., the vehicle will last for an extended period of time. The reason that we're so big on servicing at the West Automotive Group is by doing so, you prevent those costly, expensive repairs. By servicing transmissions, we can prevent and extend transmission life. By servicing and changing your oil and filters and items like that on the vehicle, spark plugs, etc., you can extend the life of the engine. Those are the two most expensive components on a vehicle, and if they're needed to be replaced during the life of a vehicle, often they outvalue a vehicle with higher mileage. If you continue to service the vehicle properly, you will extend the life of it, get a lot of mileage out of the vehicle, and you can save yourself an exorbitant amount of money over the years. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.